Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process, and hopefully it's useful to someone watching this. So the problem going to be attempted today is number 2544, alternating digit sum. So I'm going to read out the spec here. You're given a positive integer n. Each digit of n has a sign according to the following rules. The most significant digit is assigned a positive sign. Each other digit has an opposite sign to its adjacent digits. Return the sum of all digits with their corresponding sign. So it goes 5 to 1. So it's going to be 5 minus 2, which is 3, plus 1, which is 4. This is going to be 1 minus 1, which is 0, plus 1, which is 1. And it's the same thing here. You're going to get 0, right? Constraints, the numbers between 1 and 10 to the power of 9. So I'm just going to switch over to my notes. I think it's going to be fairly straightforward, just looking at it. I think we need to iterate through, in fact, first we need to convert it to a string, so we can iterate through it. So convert through number to string. Then we iterate through string. If you are on an even index, if you're an even index, divided by, if you're an even index, or if you're, let's say, if you're on an odd index, then, so that's going to be 0, 1, then subtract, otherwise add. Remember to convert to int. Okay. Subtract to total. And then we're just going to say return total. So going into LeetCode, we're going to try and code this out. So we're going to say num underscore string is going to be equal to an empty string. In fact, it's not equal to an empty string, it's going to be equal to this. We're going to cast it to a string. So we're going to do for num in num string. Then we're going to say if, or no, we just need to get the length. We need to say, or say for digit, if digit divided by 2 is equal to or we can say if digit equals, or we can say if it's equal to 0, or digit is divisible by 2, then we're going to say, we'll say it's, we're going to do add. We're going to say total is plus equal num str at index digit, and then it's going to be converted to an int. And then we can just say else, it's just going to be the opposite. It's going to be minus equal. And then we're going to return total. And we also need to declare up here. Let's hit run and see what happens. Type has no, okay. Can we just, or we just say n, I guess. Oh no, not n, sorry. That's gonna give us an index out range. So num str. Okay, unmatched on line 8. Okay, that should work. Maybe I just have an extra one there. 1, 2, 1, 2, yeah, that should be fine. First 3 test cases are accepted. Let's try submitting it. Accepted. Perfect. So, thank you very much for watching the video. Hope it was useful to you in some way, shape or form. If it was, please leave a comment, or if you had some other solution to this that was different or a bit more efficient, again, please leave a comment. Love discussing these problems and their solutions. So, yep, thank you once again for watching the video, and I hope you have a great day.